Thinking about picking up a new e-reader or digital notebook, but don't want to spend more than $400? Let's break down two popular options, the Kindle Scribe 2024 and the Remarkable 2. Oh, and fun fact, the Remarkable 2 is $20 cheaper than the Scribe at $379. And yes, both include a pen, so no extra purchases there. The Scribe is fresh on the market, launching December 4th, 2024, which means we're still piecing together the full picture. But don't worry, we've got just enough info to help you figure out which one might be the right fit. The Kindle Scribe is your pick if you're after a versatile device that handles reading and note-taking while giving you instant access to a massive library of content. On the other hand, the Remarkable 2 is built for minimalists who want an amazing paper-like writing experience without distractions. If staying current is important to you, keep in mind that the Remarkable 2 is 4 years older than the Scribe. Of course, there's also the newer Remarkable Paper Pro, which launched in September 2024. It's a fantastic option, but costs significantly more, up to $200 beyond the Remarkable 2's price tag. Both devices have similarly sized screens with anti-glare coatings, but the Kindle Scribe takes the edge in clarity. It boasts a higher pixel density of 300 ppi, plus 35 LED front lights for comfortable use in various lighting conditions. You can even tweak the brightness and warmth, and it supports auto-rotate. The Remarkable 2, meanwhile, doesn't have a backlight. Its e-ink display is designed for a true paper-like experience, perfect for well-lit environments. But if you're planning to use it in the dark, you'll need some extra lighting. A fun twist? It lets you use color pens and highlighters. However, the colors only show up when you export your files to a device with a regular display. Here's where things get personal. The Remarkable 2 includes a basic marker pen in the box, but upgrading to the Marker Plus, which includes an eraser, will set you back an extra $50. The writing experience? Top-notch, with low latency and a satisfying paper-like feel. Just be aware that pen tips wear down after a few weeks of heavy use, and replacements, though affordable, add up over time. The Kindle Scribe isn't far behind. Its improved screen texture and weighted pen offer a writing experience that feels natural, like using an actual pencil. The eraser tip is soft and analog-like. Neither pen requires charging, and both attach magnetically to their devices. For those who juggle a lot of files, the Kindle Scribe wins with storage options up to 64 gigs, compared to the Remarkable 2's fixed 8 gigs. If you're considering extra features, Remarkable 2 offers a wireless-type folio keyboard and a Connect subscription for unlimited cloud storage and cross-device editing, but these add to the overall cost. Kindle Scribe's standout feature is Active Canvas, which lets you write notes directly on ebook pages without disrupting the text. It also has a new summarize tool to condense notes and even a feature that cleans up your handwriting into clear digital script. We're still waiting on battery life details for the Kindle Scribe 2024, but the Remarkable 2 claims up to 2 weeks of use on a single charge. So, which team are you on? Scribe or Remarkable? Let us know below. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Peace out.